Now look at these trees. They is rotten. These trees need to be cut down. Next bad tornado we have, a storm. Oh, these trees gonna blow down. Look at how rotten they is. Wow, that's crazy. Look like something off the Wizard of Oz. The Wizards of Oz. Look at them. Them trees done. But they still got leaves and stuff on them. But the trunks look dead. Look at that one. Ooh. I guess. I mean, all the way down. Ooh, look at those trees. They are rotten. But they still got to look. They say when trees get to be like that, they done outlive their life. Their lifespan. Because I had a tree that stayed next door to me. And the bark, all that brown stuff right there just would fall off of it. But it still got leaves on it, so it must still got some life in it. Ah, damn. This tree's just so pretty. Y'all look at this one down here. At this tree here. Oh, that's beautiful. Carl, you better wait your time. I'm trying to look at the trees this morning. I'm trying to look at nature this morning. Y'all look at that one. Go on, lady. Oh, look at this tree. It's beautiful. God is amazing. Who can do this? Can't nobody do this but God. Nobody. That's why I got that plaque on my thing. I thank God for all the seasons. I mean, look at it, y'all. Just beautiful. Beautiful. Look at that sun, it's shining bright, y'all. God is blessing us with this another lovely day in the neighborhood. But the tree that is in our yard is to die for. That tree is beautiful, beautiful. And the man is still holding it down. The man. All right, y'all. I'm out. Love you guys.